Hey y'all! Today we're going to show you around one of the newest and best RV resorts on the Gulf Coast. This is Sun Outdoors Orange Beach. Now I know what some of y'all are thinking. Sun Outdoors isn't new to Orange Beach. They've actually been here a while. They were formerly known as Pandion Ridge, and we've done several videos on that. They've always had a nice resort with nice sights, a beautiful pool area, a separate adult pool, and they have a pond as well as a few other amenities. But wait till y'all see what they have now added. First are the additional 330 luxury sites, all of which come with a gas fire pit and these Adirondack chairs. Some of the sites even come with an outdoor kitchen like this. They've added this beautiful clubhouse that's filled with all kind of high-end amenities like a restaurant, a bar, and they even have an arcade. Out behind the clubhouse is this gorgeous pool. There's also a lap pool and this really cool kids area. Also outside they have pickleball courts, volleyball, basketball court. They have cornhole, and they have a nice playground. They also have 3 bark parks here, and check out this new dog washing station. They've also added a wider trail that you can walk or bike to the Gulf State Park's Backcountry Trail. Y'all, when we talk about things that we'd like to see at an RV resort, this is it. With these high-end amenities and it's in a great location, it's definitely become one of the best RV resorts here on the Gulf Coast. And in case you're wondering, yes, we did a drive-through for y'all, and we'll have that out by next week. So be sure you're subscribed to the channel and click that notification bell so you'll be notified when we post it, and we'll see y'all then.